Hello and welcome to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be learning how to delete your Instagram Lite account permanently. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram Lite app and then make sure that you're logged in to the account which you'd like to delete. After that, go ahead and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead to the hamburger menu on the top right corner, tap on settings. After that, tap on the help section that appears on this list. After that, tap on help center. Now you'll be redirected to Instagram's help center, where you're going to again go to the hamburger menu that is on the top right corner. After that, tap on manage your account. Go ahead and tap on delete your account option, then tap on the delete your Instagram account, which is the second option in this list. Since this feature isn't available on Instagram Lite, you can use the help of your Chrome browser on your mobile or any other browser on your mobile to delete your Instagram Lite account. Simply tap on mobile browser help. After that, if you scroll down a bit, you will see a highlighted delete your account. So you simply tap on that and then you'll be redirected to this page of delete your account on Instagram. After that, you're going to go ahead and select the reason on why you'd like to delete your Instagram Lite's account. If it satisfies any one of these, you simply tap on it and proceed with the process. After that, you're going to be requested to re-enter your password. After you've entered your password, you can simply tap on delete your account button that appears on the bottom of this page. If you tap on it, your account will be permanently deleted after a month. So if you want to log back in, you can do that until this month. If you do not log into your account for a month, then your account will be permanently deleted. All your profile and account details would be deleted and you cannot undo this action after a month. So if you're sure that you want to delete your account still, tap on this option and your account will be deleted permanently. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.